Look at those weird looking cliffs. What is that?
The road on
Like termite veins. Okay, we're going. I think there's some stairs over there. I think we're going there. Going up this trail. Came from all the way down there. We're all eating Vietnamese sandwiches here. I have a special one. I need to add the veggies, but I get this shredded pork one. We are. And here's the completed sandwich. Cucumber, jalapeno, pickled veggies, and cilantro. So windy up here. So blue. Got this circular platform up here. Whoa, it's so windy! Oh my goodness! Whoa, we need a kite here. And then you fall over. Whoa! Whoa, look at the bag! I'm gonna lose the sandwiches! Ah! Look at all the people down there. Look at that. So windy. I don't even know if you can hear. Oh, I'm gonna drop the phone. It's so windy. It's gonna fall over. I don't know if you can see all the clouds. This is all flying over. No, it's like fluffy, the leaves. They're not as fluffy as they usually are, but they're usually like super soft. Another cliff. I don't know where everyone else went. Maybe up there somewhere. It's a nice beach. If only it was warm and sunny. So windy. Another cliff over, look out. Birds. There's some bees here. Look at them, they're mountain climbing. Climbing up the rocks. Okay, we're going down to find them over there. How's there a boat engine up here? Was the water up this high before? Jeez, they crashed on all these rocks and got stuck up here. I don't know where all this water is coming from. Fresh water. Here's the mountain goat cliff that they were climbing. Okay, I know how the boat motor got stuck up there. So, you see that? Someone broke the thing and all the water flowed down and into the ocean. So this sand used to be higher and then the water would fill up, but people kept pushing the sand down, I think. So if they created a barrier here, all that water running down would fill up and it would raise all the way up there. So yeah, someone flushed out all the fresh water into the ocean. Look at this. Look at that. How long is that thing? Oh, there you go. There's the end of it. So long. Look, they're making the rock stand up. What is that supposed to be? There's like a random hook and a bowl and a cup or something. Pot. It's so windy. Look at the cliff. You can see all the plants just going. I don't know if you can see the fog.
It's not that strong, but it's still.
It's not that strong. I don't know if you can see clouds are just blowing by. There's a bridge, but it looks like it broke. Look. The bottom's missing.
It looks dangerous.
People are playing in that river.
Like camping.
Smells like camping. Smells like camping over here. We're eating sushi here at this thing. Here's the Model X Plaid they let me borrow while working on the Cybertruck. Right. I did end up getting a thing to activate the key, but it's not working yet, so I think it's because we have no signal. But yeah. Okay, I think the bridge still works because this is just a cliff, but they close it off, you can see. And then they have this, but it's for authorized personnel only. So, yeah, I guess it still works. It's only people aren't allowed on it. Here's what they ordered. I don't know what it is. It looks good. That's weird. They have chocolate pudding in there. Weird. The pudding, I don't know what it is. It's like pudding. Here's some sushi with some wasabi.
This is a fake wasabi.
Not bad. People are going on those rafts, going down the river rapids. Okay, we're here at these trails. Yeah, there's lots of flies here. So annoying. Okay, we're here at the haunted cabin. Homestead cabin. You can read the stuff yourself. This little tiny hut. A million flies are trying to eat my ears. Pretty small. That's like a single room. Maybe 2 rooms in a house. We're at the Big Sur River Gorge. Be careful for garbage crabs. Alright. There's this bridge and all these people are swimming down there. All swimming down there. I don't know where we're going. They're going in the river. So it says there's some fish breeding and hatching here. And it's closed until June 15th. It's past June 15th.
Oh, it's past? Okay.
It's August.
So we can go here.
That's the, I mean, yeah, it's August.
That's why people are over here.
But yeah, people are swimming here anyways, because it's past. Why'd they leave the sign there? What's this one? Big Sur River is home to threatened South Central California coast steelhead. Please do not move rocks or build rock dams. Alright. Look. They're all climbing this vertical wall to the bridge. Well, he's almost gonna make it. What the?
I can't make it.
What? How did he make it up there?
Alright, you can go back down.
He didn't touch the wood, he touched the cement.
No.
Oh, there you go.
Well, how do you do that?
I know, how'd you climb that? This wall. Whoa, be careful. Don't break your tailbone. Are you able to get down?
Yeah, we're really. You're gonna be.
No, he's stuck up there.
You did.
Oh, he's stuck up there.
Go lower, go lower. A little bit lower.
Is he gonna, whoa, whoa! Do you need me to catch you to hold you down?
Just push yourself out so you and then lean forward.
Whoa! Oh no, be careful. This is that Phoenix Shop Cafe.
Yeah, the water puppets.
Yeah. There's a big building all the way over there with little umbrellas on top. Phoenix have some weird jester hats on top.
Like that.
We're having a Safeway feast dinner today.